This is a 2010 Massey Ferguson 6480, so it's 6-cylinder with a 50k Dyna 6 gearbox, which is semi-power shift. It's equipped with a front weight rack, a 265 kilogram front belly weight. It's a hydraulically suspended front axle with pivoting front mudguards. Bodywork's in okay condition all round, although some of the red paint in places is coming off and fading on this front of the right hand side. You've got halogen front work lights and twin halogen beacons. The front tyres are Goodyear 16.9 R28 and they are very worn at about 5% tread remaining. Driver's side steps in good condition, cab glass is immaculate all round. Got a small toolbox still attached. Rear tyres are on fixed rims and a fixed axle, and these are Goodyear 20.8 R38. About 10 to 15% tread remaining. And then on the left and the right hand side fender you've got external rear linkage control, and on the left hand side you've got external rear PTO control. Halogen rear work lights. There's a little bit of red paint missing on this rear fender on the right hand side. Cat 3 rear linkage. 3 spools and hydraulic trailer brakes. It is a suspended cab. And there is a medium amount of wear on the pickup hitch. Again, this rear right fender has got quite a lot of scratches and the red paint missing. Rear right hand tyre also at about 20% tread remaining. Got the clever straw bar with almost no wear on it. A manual isolator. Exhaust stack's in really good condition. Just a little bit of paint, the black paint missing in places. The right hand side of the bonnet is missing a lot of the red paint, especially towards the front. The front right tyre also Goodyear at about 10% tread remaining left. So in the cab of the 6480, the cab trim plastic's in pretty good condition. There's a bit of wear on the passenger seat and it's missing some of the padding in places. We've got a Grammer air suspended driver's seat showing signs of wear, and there is a small gash on it next to the seat belt. Headline's immaculate. You've got a Bluetooth radio and air conditioning. Manual spools. T-handle for the Dyna 6 gearbox control and a Datatronic screen, and it starts and runs well. So this 6480 is currently at stock on our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.